Next question po tayo.
And he scores his third.
Paritiro na nga ako. Joke lang.
Yes, be hoping
Pero
for
like I said, the PBA is doing what they're doing. For me,
John Raymart.
I'm hoping for growth. I'm never closing the door to anybody naman.
Misses that shot,
So,
and Jaico rebounds.
Philippines will always be my
2
home.
minutes left.
And for the most part,
Game
right now,
clock.
yun nga, focus muna ako sa off-season, then whatever the chapter
The
is
possessions.
right now.
John-
PBA teams
Score
ngayon.
82 lamang si Jaico.
May mga offers naman tayo internationally and locally.
John Raymart for two.
To be honest, yun nga, hindi ko pa nga nararamdaman yung off-season eh. So, kasi ko muna yung mga bata ngayon and mawawala ako for siguro mga 1 month sa honeymoon. Pahinga lang. And then, siguro tackle it from there. But, gusto ko sana makapag-decide bago pa ako umalis.
But how would you describe your stint with Osaka?
The stint was amazing, especially like the first year. Second year, medyo rough, honestly. But
Okay, so time for
it was
us
great
start
to be
again.
in
Let's
Osaka.
go.
It's a beautiful
number
city.
5, John
I
Raymart
loved my
Mata,
teammates,
and
very
number 21,
talented. Matt Bonds had a
Jacob
great and amazing
From
year, even
Turkey.
Ryan Luther.
Again, this is the
So
People
for me,
Asia.
it was time to move on to
Supported
the next chapter, whatever that may be.
As Elijah makes
Ano
that
na in-announce
Right,
na
layup.
yung Manila Games?
double crossover.
Tingin mo doon, magiging...
Nakakatuwa, sobra. Kasi imagine mo, the B-League is doing such a great job. Well, B Premier na by then. Is doing such a great job of growing their league. And also tapping in sa atin sa mga Pinoy dito kasi number 1 sport ang basketball eh. So nakakatuwa naman na kaya natin mag-host ng B-League game. So sana mas maging global pa siya.
Foul.